In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an emo profile picture. If you want to save someone's profile photo from emo and there isn't a direct download button available, this method is a simple workaround that you can do right from your phone. It only takes a moment, and by the end, you'll have a cleaned up version of the image saved in your gallery. To begin, open the emo app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can navigate smoothly without missing anything. Once you're inside, go to the profile of the person whose picture you want to save. You can usually access their profile through your chat list or contact list, depending on where you already interact with them. After you're on that person's profile page, tap on their profile picture. This should open the image in a larger view, making it easier to see clearly. If it doesn't open the first time, just tap again carefully on the picture itself and wait for it to expand. Next, zoom in on the image. This step is important because it helps the profile picture fill more of your screen, which means your final saved image will look better after editing. Try to center the image as neatly as possible so the important part of the photo is visible and balanced on the screen. Once the image is positioned the way you want, take a screenshot. The exact button combination depends on your phone, but on most devices it involves pressing the power button and a volume button at the same time. If needed, do a quick adjustment and take another screenshot until you get the cleanest result. Now leave emo and open your gallery app. Find the screenshot you just captured. Since screenshots usually include extra parts of the screen like borders, icons, or background space. The next step is to crop the image so only the profile picture remains. Open the screenshot in editing mode and use the crop tool to trim away everything except the photo. Take your time here, because careful cropping makes the final result look much more polished. Try to keep the edges even and remove any unnecessary screen elements. Once you're happy with how it looks, save the cropped version. And that's it. You now have the emo profile picture saved on your phone in a cleaner, more usable format. If you're following along, just repeat the same process anytime you want to save another profile image.